Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making some raspberry white chocolate chip cookies. For this we got flour, we got sugar, we got some vanilla extract, brown sugar, butter, white chocolate chips, 2 eggs, some frozen raspberries, baking soda, and salt. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with 3/4 cup of melted butter. Mostly melted. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of regular sugar. We're going to do 3/4 tablespoon of vanilla. Our 2 eggs. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And go ahead and get this blended up. Then we're going to take 3/4 cup of our raspberries. Go ahead. Two cups of our flour. Go ahead and get this mixed up. Then 1 cup of our white chocolate chips, and we're just going to fold those in. Alright y'all, so we got our greased cookie sheet here. We're just going to go ahead scoop our dough. Okay, so now we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to cook these for about 12 to 14 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so they're out of the oven. We're going to let them cool for a few minutes, then move them to a cooling rack. Once I have baked all my cookies, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have them, raspberry white chocolate chip cookies. If you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see anything cooked on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment. But until next time, keep on cooking on.